Hello everyone and welcome back to Let's Play Simmer. This is Simmer, and today guys I will be unboxing and reviewing this keyboard from Cosmic Byte, which is the CBGK 13. And guys, it is a mechanical keyboard from Cosmic Byte which has the Ottoman brown switches. And also guys, I will be finishing up the video with the final verdict on this keyboard. But before all of that guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. And now without further ado guys, let's get into the video. First of all, let us take a close look at the box. In front we are given some features of this keyboard, and on the left side we are given all the RGB effects that this keyboard has, and also on the right side we're given rainbow LED, all anti-ghosting keys. And guys, it really is all anti-ghosting keys. There will be no key failure. At the back there are some specifications which are given over here, and here are all the features, and the MRP over here is 2599 rupees, but I got it off Amazon at 1599 rupees. It was during the Amazon Great Indian Sale, but now guys is 1999 rupees. And the blue switches, which is the CBGK 12, which is same keyboard just with blue switches, is of 2099 rupees. So 100 rupees gap between both of these keyboards. And the main difference between 13 and 12 is that 13, which I have, has brown switches which makes less noise, is also a mechanical keyboard which makes less noise, whereas the CBGK12 with the blue switches makes more noise. Now guys, let's unbox this keyboard. And guys, the most important thing from the box we get is the user manual, as it does not have any software. It is a plug and play keyboard, so all the functions are over here in the user manual, but I will be telling you guys all about that. And also guys, we get a keycap holder from the box, which is also really great. So guys, this is the keyboard that we get straight out of the box. And also guys, I was talking about the keycap holder, so this is also really great if you want to just pull out a key or pull out all the keys and clean your keyboard very nicely. So this will be really handy. And also guys, as you can see, the brown switches on this keyboard, which are really great, they don't make that much noise, so that's why I got CBGK 13, not the 12. And also guys, the wire quality is really great. It is not a braided cable, but it is a rubber cable. And guys, this is a really thick cable and is really durable. And also guys, we get a gold plated USB. And talking about the wire quality, we'll also talk about the keyboard quality. So guys, the keyboard is heavy. That is because the top is made out of aluminium, and guys, the bottom is made out of hard plastic, but this whole top is made out of aluminum. That's why it is really heavy. And also guys, on the corner of this keyboard, the upper corner, there is an chrome line which is running, which also gives it a really premium feel. And believe me guys, this keyboard is worth the price you pay. This keyboard has presence on your table, and guys, it does not look cheap in any way. The build quality is really great. So guys, this keyboard doesn't have perky RGB, but rather it has one RGB running in one line. And guys, talking about the RGB, let us talk about the RGB effects that this keyboard has to offer. Guys, you need to press the function key and the insert key to change the RGB effect. And so guys, these are all the RGB effects that this keyboard has to offer. And also guys, it has Windows lock key over here. As you can see, it has an indicator for it. To activate Windows lock, press function and the Windows key. to lock it, and now as you can see, it has a light over W, which means the Windows key is locked, and when you're running a game it will not open the start menu. And now guys, it is time for the sound test. And also guys, you can increase or decrease the speed of RGB using the function plus arrow keys, and you can also change the brightness with function and arrow keys. And now guys, it is time for my final verdict. This keyboard is really great, and if you want a good mechanical keyboard to improve your gaming experience, then guys, I think this keyboard is the one you should go with, because guys, it has brown switches that does not make that much noise. And also guys, the build quality again is really great. There is very minimal keyboard flex, that is also really great. The top is aluminium, and also guys, it has really good elevation clips. You can really increase the height of this keyboard when you use the elevation clips. And also guys, one thing in this keyboard's elevation clip that I found is that it has this rubber which prevents it from moving, while other keyboards usually do not have this rubber on their elevation clip, so that really helps this keyboard to stay in one place. I think guys, that sums up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And guys, that is it for today. We will see you next time on Let's Play Simmer.